In a time of kings, in a world of commoners, an ordinary physician came to court to fulfill a royal favor.
You know why I've summoned you here? Celia Clemens is to be married.
I understood she was your mistress.
And then you understood right, Merivale. For her husband, I need a man who is far too enamored of women in general to make the mistake of loving one in particular. You are to be a paper bridegroom.
Now, he's forsaken his one true calling.
You have a gift for understanding sickness.
The king has made other plans for me.
For a life of folly.
The king in his love for me made use of you.
We are all mere pawns.
Prawns, yes, please.
No, pawns. Pawns!
I've done the one thing forbidden by the king. I've fallen in love with my wife. Love was not asked of you. Indeed, it was the only thing specifically forbidden. You have driven yourself out of paradise. What'll I do?
Are you another man sent to do me injustice?
I see. I see.
Robert Downey Jr., Sam Neill, Meg Ryan, David Thewlis, Polly Walker, and Hugh Grant.
I fear I'm dreaming. No, Merivale, you are awake.